Uh,
I'm digging this. Oh yeah.
this is nice.
That's all.
So Ren, Rolf, and Marcus. But it's Marcus' turn right now. Yo. Ooh. It's my turn. Yo. Taking blood from the heart to the cells and back, doing all things vascular and cardiac, capillaries, arteries, and veins. All I'm saying is circulation is the name of the game. And let me start from the heart, because that seems smart. It's not hard to see that it's the most important part. The first step is to gather up oxygen, send the blood to the lungs, back to the heart again. Next up, we'll talk about the arteries. They take blood from the heart. That's where it's got to be. The biggest artery, the main transporter, right next to the heart's called the aorta. Taking blood from the heart to the cells and back, doing all things vascular and cardiac, capillaries, arteries, and veins. All I'm saying is the name of the game. From the arteries into the capillaries, all your organisms and organisms must be beneficiaries. All of the oxygen and nutrients they bring through very tiny vessels into the body tissue. And now the oxygen's gone, but first we gotta have some carbon dioxide waste to take on, and it's into the veins, back to the heart again. So I'm saying, whole cycle, it has to start again. Everything originates into the right atrium through the tricuspid valve, right ventricle to the pulmonary artery and lungs. Once inside the lungs, it trashes the CO2, gets oxygen supply. That's what it's got to do. Now back to the heart, in the pulmonary vein, through the atrium and left ventricle. Sorry, I messed up. Excuse me while I rap, y'all. The blood leaves in the heart through the aortic valve, then it's spread through the rest of the body. The cells get the oxygen from the arteries, areolas, and the capillaries. Tissues and the cells trade off the waste, and CO2 carried through the venues and the veins, through the larger vena cava to the atrium and lungs. Yeah, I'm done.
Alright, top that, Miss Hennings. Top that.
Word up.
Allow me to be a little bit more specific. Let me tell you about the total red blood cell from the capillaries to the venules, up into the veins, inferior vena cava. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Flowing to the right atrium, busting through the tricuspid valve, into the right ventricle, it flows green like go. You gotta drain this ventricle, to the pulmonary valve it slides, no driving out. Gotta oxygenize by now, alveoli are in sight. Back through the veins, it's a really quick flight, drop you off in the atrium left, slip through the bicuspid valve like it's a theft. Speaking of words, son. Yeah, word. Then the left ventricle, skip that, we're already through the aortic valve and back to the body, sorta like a rewound track. Yeah, short words. Giving off O2 is nothing new. What's the heart supposed to do? Whoop you up like the cardiac crew. Take O2 like a revenue. O2 is addictive, like taking in glue. Give you your high oxygen count and energy. Then the heart is ready for another round. Round 2!
Word up.
Round 3! Round 3! Round 3! Yo, you supposed to know us. We the hardest crew around. Arterial sclerosis. And yo, I don't mean to boast, but my flow will be the cause of cellular necrosis. Other rappers offbeat like an arrhythmia. I was down, but I'm back up like ischemia. My lyrics can cause cardiac arrest. Cardiac crew, boy, we be the best. We are not Young Money, and I am not a Martian. I will stop your heart myocardial infarction. Yo, you really need to get on this. I'll get in your way like a colossal thrombus. Come around me and you will end up with chronic fatigue and more life than heart disease.
My rhymes will make you dizzy and even blackout. More than UFC fighters have to tap out. I'm bouncing like an EKG wave, up and down but with more P waves. Add some T waves like you were in a craze. Get out of my way, I'm here to amaze. I do this all the time. Mess with me and I will make you flatline.